Incident, you don't know as per the primary information which is available, might be early hours short circuit might have taken place inside the house. The information from the GHMC staff, it has come to fire station, that is the fire station around 6:16 hours, 6:16 a.m. The moment they received the call around 6:16, 6:17 they started, reached to the site by 6:20 a.m. Along with the other staff and all equipment, including the robots. They tried their level best. By the time they reached, the building was full of fire and all that. Nearing about around 11 fire engines participated in the rescue operations, and even one DFO also is seriously injured, is also in the hospital. Almost all the departments like revenue, municipality, the local police city commissioner, Hydra, and health department, revenue department, everybody is involved in this entire operations. The Chief Minister, Revanth Reddy, the moment he has come to know the information, immediately alerted all the departments and told them to go there in the field and to rescue the people. And our Hyderabad in charge minister, Sri Ponnam Prabhakar, the moment the information has reached to him, he has been there on the spot and he is taking all the care towards the victims and the family members, whatever the best assistance that the government can extend, he has been doing that. And though I am away from Hyderabad, the Honorable Chief Minister gave me the information to reach the spot from Khammam. Immediately I rushed from there, and he has been monitoring continuously. And he is also, in consultation with all the cabinet colleagues, asked me to particularly to announce the ex gratia of 5 lakh rupees to each and every family members of the deceased family members.
Any assistance on treatment for the injured, sir?
Of course, the whole, the assistance, the treatment, whatever it is required, the government will take care of it.
Sir, how many people are injured?
17 members, people have died, and maybe mostly by the time these people have reached, the incident, smoke. This is what the primary information that they were telling.
Well, concerns on fire safety, will you look into it, sir? As
The fire safety inside the shop and that is within the premises of the
old establishment.
Yeah, all the old establishment. It is inside the premises of their own establishment. Might be, we never know what has happened actually. Might be short circuit or any other thing. Even the blastings also was there. So we have to see the cylinder blast also was reported.
Is there any action taken from Atlanti వాటిలో సార్?
Already.
బయటికి రాకుండా ఉన్నారు కదా సార్?
Amma?
ఫైర్ కి బయటికి రాకుండా ఉన్నారు కదా సార్? అందులోనే ఉండి చచ్చిపోయారు కదా సార్? అట్లాంటి వాటిల్లో ఎస్టాబ్లిష్
See, this is the information. This kind of incident has reached to the department 6:16 minutes in the early hours by an outsider, not from the inside the house also.